High school football in St. Johns County means another edition of Alumni Watch, checking in with guys who used to play in the county who've now moved on to college. We'll go with 4 guys this week, 3 of those on the defensive side of the ball. Start off with Graham Bates. He's at Arkansas State now, defensive back. Used to play at Nice. He had 2 tackles in a 37-29 win over Louisiana Monroe. Switching gears into the secondary, University of Findlay, Brian Rizzi. Used to play at St. Augustine High School. He had 8 tackles in a 30-28 loss to Michigan Tech. Another St. Augustine guy, he's a nose tackle at Wofford, Leighton Baker. 3 tackles, had a half a tackle for loss, and recovered a fumble in a 56-7 win over Chattanooga. Last but not least, we're going with a running back, former Bartram Trail guy, George Smith. He's playing now at McKendree. He had 75 rushing yards on 12 carries and a touchdown in last week's 35-3 win over Trinity International. Big thing with George Smith, he becomes the 4th leading running back in McKendree history. He's only the 4th guy to go over 2,000 yards rushing in a career, and a good chance to move into 3rd place in the next couple weeks. Another edition of Alumni Watch, St. Johns County.